Dear students, today I would like to you congratulations as you are entered in the BSc third year semester 5th. Zoology paper 12 theory, ecology and geography. Today I will discuss on this. So all of you listen carefully. Unit first we will start. In unit first there are 3 chapters. Out of that, first chapter is ecology, and in this chapter the content is introduction and scope. So dear students, ecology definition: the science of interrelationship between living organisms and environment is called as ecology. Environmental biology is a modern term for ecology. The term ecology was first coined by Haeckel in 1869. Haeckel stated that ecology is the study of relationship between organisms and their environment. Friends, life does not occur in a vacuum. For their basic requirements, living organisms depend on non-living components. That is, abiotic component is depend on biotic component, and biotic components are depend on abiotic components. A.G. Tansley in 1935 defined ecology as the study of structure and functions. The study of structure and functions of nature. After him, Smith in 1977 recently defined ecology as a multidisciplinary science which deals with the study of organisms and its place to live, which focuses on the ecosystem. Ramdev Misra is the father of ecology in India. He stated that ecology is a subject which studies the interaction among organisms and between the organisms and its physical environment, that is abiotic components. Ecology is basically concerned with the 4 levels of biological organizations. That 4 biological organizations are: first one, organisms; second one, populations; third one, communities; and fourth one is biomes. So friend, dear students, this is the short introduction of ecology. Now we will study the scope of ecology. Ecology has the following scopes. The first prime and important scope of ecology is the maintenance of natural resources. The second scope of ecology is its study helps in control of environmental pollution like air pollution, water pollution, sound pollution, etc. Ecological studies discover new sources of food for humankind or increasing human population. Fourth scope is ecological study determine the utility for human beings or in the field of human welfare. Fifth scope of ecology is its study is very important in the field of evolution for to detect the rate of evolution. Sixth one is in the field of genetics. Ecological studies helpful for to bring a rare wild genetic material to domestic animals. A full knowledge of ecology is necessary for us for the survival of human race. Dear students, if you are having any difficulties on the introduction and the scope of ecology, you can contact on my mobile, and personally also we can discuss on that problems, on your difficulties. So for today it is sufficient. Remaining we will continue in next period. Thank you very much.